So this is going to be a review of this iRobot Roomba 614. I'm going to get it started. I'm going to go for a walk and see how the little thing works. I've had it for, I think, about 6 weeks now, and it's not a big place to clean, so we'll just see how it does. I'm out for my walk, and the Roomba 614 is cleaning. I made a mistake. I've only had that since November the 3rd, and today is November the 27th. So I've only had it for 3 weeks, and we'll see how it does. So I've been gone for about an hour, and this Roomba 614 is still going. I mean, I thought it would be done by now, bouncing off all the furniture and stuff, but it's still going, and I'm impressed. It's getting near its docking station now, so I'm just wondering if it's going to dock, because it should be done. The one thing that this has taught me is I move a lot of stuff out of its way, like chairs and I mean the dining room chairs and that. They're in another room that right now it cannot get into. So, but it's flashing, so I guess it must be finished. Like, the dock button is flashing by the looks of it. So it should be going back. Anyway, but the apartment is definitely cleaner over the last few weeks there with it. And I am happy with it. So if anyone is thinking about buying one of these robot vacuums, I highly recommend it, especially if you have a small home, and because I don't know what it would be like at a bigger house. But I wish, and maybe next year, I'll buy the one with the where it has the self-contained dust collector in it. It looks like a garbage can that it docks into. I don't know. Let's see if I can move this. I don't know. I'm just going to let it run, and I'm going to end this portion of the video. Oh, maybe he's going to go back now. There, this might be it. Yep. So it is back because the battery is dying, and you can see that little thing there, the little battery is flashing. So the battery is dead and now it's charging. I'm going to finish the video here. So this is my bedroom, and I'm getting it ready basically for the Roomba 614 to clean it. I take everything, or at least as much as I can, off the carpet area. I throw it on my bed, and it gives it a lot of space to just clean. So basically, that's what I do to get the bedroom ready for it. So this might be a little gross, but this is from yesterday, from cleaning the ceramic floor. That's the dirt that's in it. So it's a real simple thing to clean it. So I'm going to clean it and then put it back in and then put the vacuum in the bedroom. So basically what I do is I start it up and let it go, and then I'm going to stop it. There we go. Okay. And now I just basically pick it up, I suppose, although I do call it Fred, and put him in the bedroom, and we're going to fire him up again. And off he goes. The one thing I like about this thing is it cleans underneath the bed. So I'm just going to let him run. And I hope that he doesn't get stuck, because this is where he gets stuck. Right? Usually right there. But I like this thing, because I know that there's better ones out there. But this one was on sale, and I got it. And he can go underneath all the furniture. See? There he goes. So anyways, what I do now is I'm just going to let it go. And I shut the door so he just stays in there. And that's it. So anyways, I'll let him run for a bit and then I'll come back. So he's been in here for a while, cleaning. But he gets stuck underneath that. And I pulled it out and said something about the side wheels. Anyways, what I'm going to do now is start it up and make it dock. So it'll go into the other room eventually. I don't know how long it's going to take, but this is the path it has to go through. And we'll see what it does. I tell you, it picks up a lot of dirt underneath these dressers and stuff. Okay, so now it should be there it goes. And it's now docked. So, and let me just see these little scratches. They're from the going underneath the dresser. And again, gross, but that is what it's picked up. Quite a bit. And I'm going to clean that, or just basically throw it in the garbage. Anyways, I am extremely happy with this thing. It saves me a lot of time. The place is definitely cleaner. Oops. But yeah, if you can afford the better one, I would probably highly recommend that. But if you just want, this is the entry one, I suppose. It's really worth it too. So just take a last little bit picture of the ceramic Christmas tree, and that's it. Thank you. That's the review of the Roomba 614.